It's been really hot. It's been awful. Anyways, hi, and welcome back to my art channel. Today, I am very excited to announce that I'll be working on a 5-canvas part project that I'll be filming from start to finish, and I'll be taking you all along with me for that ride. Get ready for an exciting painting project as I tackle a series of round canvases in a multiple part video series, starting from the smallest and gradually working my way up to the largest. Now, one of my ultimate goals is to have another solo art show, and for that I feel like I definitely need to add more art and more works to my portfolio. It's always, for anybody watching, it's always good to add a bit more work to your portfolio once you're ready for that, of course, but always keep trying, keep exploring, keep trying new things, and you never know what your art style is going to be like. My art revolves around the themes of mental health and psychedelia, delving deep into my inner art universe, and that's precisely what I'll be exploring in this new project with you all. Through this project, I want to basically show the stages of evolution that happen when you face the uncomfortable, and I'll end it on basically the creation of a fully evolved toad creature. I've noticed that I've been creating a lot of my toad creatures in my recent works. Toads for me symbolize the process of evolution and change. I keep instinctively and subconsciously drawing and painting them because I've been feeling a personal connection towards their symbolism. The 5 stages of change will be a big focus on this project, and I can't wait to bring this all to life. In this upcoming first part, I will be working on a small round canvas, starting the beginning of this journey. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited about this project and if you are excited to see what I come up with. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more art tutorials, more art content, and more art inspiration. If you have any interesting, cool new projects that you'll be working on, I'd love to know about it. Please let me know down in the comments below. Love to hear about it, love to chat about it, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, embrace change and let your inner artist loose. See you next time, and keep creating.